Hi guys, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video, I'm going to talk about Amazon's affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associates. So I'm going to talk about the pros and the cons of the program and how you're going to get started with the Amazon affiliate program, how you can make money with it, and how you can really generate yourself a passive income and really earn a full-time online income with the Amazon program. Is totally possible. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and let's get started, guys. Okay. What is Amazon Associates? So it is Amazon's affiliate program. It's actually one of the oldest affiliate programs around, and anyone can join, and you gotta join the program by country. That's how everything is set up in their system. So they have basically a site for US, a site for Canada, a site for different countries that they sell in. So, but anybody can join any of those sites. So you don't have to live in the country that you want to apply to. So I want to make that very clear, okay? But if your website is available for people from all over the world, then you would want to apply to Amazon's affiliate program for each of the country that they have available. And they actually have something called one link that can help your website convert your Amazon links to the local Amazon affiliate link that you need for the visitor that is visiting your site. Okay, so they have tools like that. So they have offer tools to easily get affiliate links. They offer commissions of 1 to 10% and is by category. Or you can also earn commissions on total purchase, not just what you're promoting. So that is very cool. You do need to make 3 sales though in the first 6 months that you have the account for, or else your account can get shut down. But you can reapply later, so that is good. And you do really need a website to apply. Some people are saying that you don't need a website to apply, but I've gone through the application process back in years ago, and I've recently reviewed their application as well, and it does say you need a website right there. So, and then you need to have their affiliate disclosure on your website at all times. So it's something that you should put on the sidebar or the footer of your site so it's always shown. So these are just some of the major points that you need to know about the Amazon affiliate program. So let's look at the pros of the program. The pros of Amazon Associates is that Amazon is a brand well recognized. It is very well known and it is a trusted site. So it is really easy to use Amazon to promote because everybody would trust it if you send them to there, and they would definitely buy because Amazon really knows how to convert their customers with the way their website is set up. And then the affiliate program is free and easy to apply. And then you also have millions of products on there to promote. So any niche that you go into, you can use basically the affiliate. You could basically use Amazon's affiliate program for it. So a lot of different niches could use Amazon. People usually buy more than one item too when they're on Amazon because they need to ship it to them, right? So when you have something shipped to you, you want to save the most amount of shipping costs. And so usually people buy more than one item. Of course, Amazon's gonna pay on time, so you don't have to worry about that. They pay monthly. And it's worldwide, as I was saying, that you can apply to basically all the countries available that Amazon has websites for. And it's beginner friendly. It's very easy to just go on Amazon and apply, get an account, and start promoting their products. Okay, now the cons of Amazon Associates is basically the rules. Okay, these basically come from the rules because they do kind of have a very stringent affiliate program. They have a lot of different rules, so you gotta make sure you're using the right things for this, okay, or else you will get your commissions either reversed or not cool. So some of the cons that I'm going to talk about right here The first one is this 24-hour cookie. So what the 24-hour cookie really means is that once somebody clicks on your affiliate link on your website, you will only have 24 hours to earn that commission. So that visitor that clicked on your link, they have 24 hours to buy something for you to earn commissions, okay, to be credited to you. So if they bought something, or they clicked on your affiliate link, but they bought something on like the 25th hour since clicking your link, then you do not get that commission, okay? And the other con is, I feel, for beginners is that you gotta make the 3 sales in your first 180 days, which is 6 months. Why I say this is a con, because a lot of beginners for a blog, let's say, they don't even get traffic, or they're just starting to get traffic at around the 6-month mark. So getting 3 sales, it is definitely possible to get 3 sales. I think a lot of people sometimes don't get it, and then their accounts get shut down. It could just be very discouraging for anybody new going to a program like this. That's all. But you can reapply if you do get shut down. Or the other advice that I would give is that you don't apply to the Amazon affiliate program until you have gotten some steady visitors coming to your site, okay? Another con is that for images, you cannot just take screenshots of the product images on Amazon, okay? And then you can't just take those screenshots and upload them to your website. This is a big no-no. And what you're supposed to be using is their image affiliate links. So Amazon provides you with different types of affiliate links. So you can have text links, you can have image links, and you can have both image and text links. So you have to use those, because this way Amazon is able to control the images that you don't own, okay? So these images you don't own, so they don't want you to download them or just take screenshots and upload them to your website, because if those images of those products change, then they can change for you if you're using their affiliate links. If you are just screenshooting and then uploading to your website, then they can't change the image on your site. So this is why you have to use the image affiliate links on their website. Now the commissions is another point I want to put down as a con, is that commissions are low compared to other affiliate programs, okay? 1 to 10% is not that much at all, and majority of Amazon's commissions are actually on the lower end, and we're talking about probably like the 1 to 6% or 5% around there. Those are your norm commissions, okay? And then big ticket items are even worse, okay? So like electronics, TVs, and all that, it's only 1%. So you're not getting high commissions for your efforts for the program. You also can't use their name in your URL whatsoever. Like you can't use any kind of form of Amazon or a kind of abbreviation in your URL. And you cannot shorten their Amazon affiliate links. You're not allowed to do that, or cloak them so that it doesn't look like Amazon affiliate links. It has to start with, like, people need to see Amazon.com or AMZN. The URL needs to start with Amazon. And then you cannot use Amazon affiliate links in emails, forums, PDFs, or ebooks, anything that is not live on the internet. So it needs to be publicly available as well. So you cannot have a membership site and use Amazon affiliate links in there. Okay, so that's very important to realize. And then you also cannot really earn any recurring commissions or high ticket commissions on Amazon, because they're in the physical product market, right? So they're not going to have recurring commissions, and you're definitely not getting lifetime commissions since they only give you a 24-hour cookie. So like some affiliate programs are really cool, where if you bring in a customer, you could earn commissions as many times as they buy, okay? So not like this though, not with this Amazon affiliate program. You are just making commissions on one-time sales all the time. So every month you start at 0. If you actually abide by their rules and create an Amazon affiliate website, you could totally earn a full-time income on a site like that. And if you actually, there are affiliate websites out there that actually earn like 5 digits a month or even 6 digits a month. Okay, that's how big affiliate websites can grow to. So I mean, this all takes time, guys. Okay, building this affiliate marketing business does take time, and you need to learn it properly. Okay, so this is where you're gonna get started, and where this is going to be the same place where I started. Okay, so if you go to workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama, you're going to go to the training platform that I myself have used to build workanywherenow.com and also earn a 4-digit online income from the training. Okay, so the training works, and I'm going to show you my proof. Okay, so when you click on the workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama link in the video description below. So I'm gonna have it below so you can just click it. You don't have to write anything down. When you do that, you're gonna come to this website, Wealthy Affiliates website with my picture on it, okay? If you don't click on my link, you will not see my picture, and then you will not get my free bonuses. All right, guys, you want to have those free bonuses from me because I am going to help you. So here, this is my profile here. I just want to show you the training really quick because this training is what I used to build myself an online business with affiliate marketing. And this is how you can too, okay? So you're going to start with online entrepreneur certification. You're going to start here with level 1. There's 5 levels, as you can see, and there's 10 lessons in each level, okay? And you could get this first level free already when you sign up with my link. You will need to upgrade to premium if you want to build this properly with the rest of the lessons here. And what you're going to be building here is going to be an affiliate website that will be attracting its own visitors, okay? You see here, building your own traffic producing website. You're going to learn exactly how to do that, okay? You're going to be learning how to help the people in your niche, how to solve their problems. One of the biggest ways to earn commissions in affiliate marketing is earning the trust from your visitors. And by teaching your visitors how to solve their problems, you are going to earn their trust. And by helping them solve their problems, you could recommend the tools and products that will help them solve the problem. And that is how you can get commissions, guys, okay? And Wealthy Affiliate with these lessons will teach you exactly how to build your affiliate marketing business with your website. They have tools here that you can use as well. So you don't need to worry about, like, under websites, you're going to have a website builder, you're going to have tools to help you write, you're going to have tools to help you get engagement on your website. There are so many things. If you need help, you can get help here. You can have live chats. You can have a help center here. There's so many various ways to get help. And of course, there's me. I'm going to be here to help you too, because that's what I do. I have been here since September 2016, and last year is when I got super affiliate status. And if you look at my posts on my profile here and you click here, view all, then you can read about my entire journey here, okay, guys? And you can see how much money I've made and see how the training has worked. It has worked for me as well as many other people, okay, guys? So as you sign up, I'm going to show you other success stories as well. It's not just me, guys, okay? So if you use my link to sign up, guys, you will get to this page and you will get my free coaching services as I help all my premium referrals on the platform for free. And I guide you through the lessons. I help you understand the lessons. I help you give you website feedback. I help you how to apply the lessons to your website and get you building and get you earning, guys, okay? So I hope you would join me. And again, the link will be in the video description below, but it is workanywherenow.com/Team Little Mama. And I hope you would join me. And I hope this video about Amazon's affiliate program has helped you learn a little bit more about Amazon's associate program. If you do decide to sign up at a Wealthy Affiliate and actually upgrade to one of the premium plans, I actually offer you even more bonuses that can help you build this specifically Amazon website, guys. Okay, I actually give you a special tutorial on Wealthy Affiliate if you sign up for the longer term premium plans. Okay, guys, you will get my bonuses in your message, in your private message, once you upgrade. Okay, so I hope you will want to learn with me and build your affiliate website with me, guys, and earn a passive income. This is what I've been doing since 2016, and I hope you will join me. And I hope I get to help you soon, okay, guys? All right, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new to it so you can learn more ways to learn how to make money online, and hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, guys. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you will get your affiliate site started soon, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.